Well, it has been pretty much a miserable Halloween so far, and it hasn't got any better here for the trick-or-treaters this evening, as we thought it might. At least there has not been the widespread accumulating snow that was anticipated. 13 weather ball, though, is blinking bright with mainly rain and some snowflakes in sight, and now some wind for the next couple of hours. It's also green, no change to the coolish weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. High occurred right around 7:30 this morning, but the afternoon high was 40, and that's what we forecast. That's another bullseye. That's 3 in a row. What a way to wrap up the month of November. Officially, no measurable snow out at the airport. They had a trace, so we're stuck at 0.2 of an inch for October, and we're not going to break that record as we thought we might. 32 in the morning, it'll all have dried out by then. Roads will be dry. Partly sunny around the noon hour, a lot of filtered sunshine, and it will become cloudy by the end of the day as we reach the low 40s. Average highs are still in the mid 50s. How about some better news? Well, the long range outlook was updated today. This is the 90-day temperature outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center for November through January. Most, if not all, of the country has higher chances for being warmer. The only area that doesn't have higher chances, right here in this area. Average high at the beginning of that period is 54. Average high at the end of January, 31. So yeah, we're headed downwards. In terms of precipitation, there's really no signal in the climate or the weather patterns to indicate anything other than a typical 3-month period from November through January. We get about 50 inches worth of snow during that 3-month period, the majority of that coming in December and January. We've had some snow today. Mostly rain though, and what snow has been falling has been melting because soil temperatures I checked earlier today are in the mid 40s right at the surface, so it's kind of hard to accumulate snow on top of that warm ground. But the winds are now going to pick up. I think that's going to be the main issue this evening as that storm system heads to the north and east. The winds are going to drop dramatically after about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Let's check out the precipitation over the next 48 hours. This is snow here in the blue. This is rain in the green, and the pink is the mix between the rain and the snow. By 11 o'clock, the majority of that has pushed well to our east, and we're going to be mostly cloudy the rest of the night. A little bit of sunshine, filtered sunshine through the middle of the day, and then overcast skies the rest of the afternoon. Tomorrow evening, going to be enough cold air to come on down where there's going to be some light lake effect rain and maybe a couple of snow flurries with that. It does blossom over about 60% of the area, but as you wake up on Saturday morning, most of that will be over. There'll just be occasional flurries in the afternoon, and we may do this again on Sunday. Forecast then for tomorrow, dry day, partly to mostly cloudy. It'll be breezy, highs between about 41 and 45. Up north, you could expect temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy conditions, and dry here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Look for highs around 40 to the low 40s. 13 on your side forecast. We'll climb up to 48 on Monday, and we took the rain out of Election Day night because the front coming through on Tuesday is going to push all of that to our south, but we're certainly going to stay in the cold and dry air through Saturday of next week before we see a rapid warm-up toward the following weekend.